Hello viewers, welcome to another tutorial by Project Maker. In this video, I will be teaching you how you can send emails using Python in only 5 lines of code. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon to watch my video first. So without wasting any time, let's start. Now let's move to our destination folder. I have already created a Python file titled as email sender, as you can see on the screen. Now let's open this Python file. To send an email, you have to import only one Python package called as smtplib. You can install this package by typing pip install secure smtplib in your command prompt. Then in next line, I have simply created a variable called Gmail ID. In this variable, you have to store your email ID. In similar way, I have created another variable called as Gmail password. In this variable, you have to store your email account's password. In next line, I have created a variable 2. In this variable 2, you have to write receiver's email address. After that, subject, which will be the subject of your email, and after that another variable called msg, which will contain the message of your variable. To send an email using Python, you have to create SMTP client, which is used to communicate with remote SMTP server, which will send email programmatically. So for that, I have simply created a variable s, and I have used SMTP method of smtplib package, which has two arguments. First argument is URL and another argument is port number. We will be using 587 port number. In next line, I have written s.start_tls, which will start the session of email sending. In next line, I have just used a try and catch block. In try block, I have written s.login and I have passed two arguments, Gmail ID and password. Then after that, I have simply used method send email. Send mail method of smtplib package uses three arguments. First is your name, second is receiver's email address, and third is subject and message. I have written subject and message in one string using f string, as you can see on the screen. So this was only the main program. If some error occurs in these two statements, then except block will get activated and it will simply print some error has occurred. And if email has sent successfully, then it will simply print email sent successfully, and that it will quit the session using s.quit method of smtplib package. So this was our entire program. Before running program, you have to allow less secure apps of your Gmail account. This will allow this program to send email through your email address. So for that, you have to simply open your Gmail. And as you can see, I have opened my email address, and I will simply click on this icon and go to my account. So my account has opened, as you can see. Before moving ahead, I would like to inform you that if you have activated two-step verification, please turn off that. After that, you have to just scroll down and you will see the option here, as you can see, less secure apps. So you have to just turn on this to send email externally. Now let's move back to our program. So now before running the program, I will just write my personal credentials in the program and run the program. So I have written my personal credentials in this program. So now let's click on this run icon. So let's wait, it is sending email. So as you can see, email successfully sent statement is printed on console. You just check the subject and message. So the subject was test email using Python and message was hello, this is test email using Python. So now let's move to our Gmail to check whether the same message and same subject is delivered or not. So as you can see, the subject test email using Python and the message hello, this is test email using Python has appeared on the screen. So our email program has successfully sent, and the time is 0 minutes ago. So this is current time. Congratulations, we have sent our first email using Python, as you can see. So now let's move to the program once again. So this was our small video of how to send an email using Python. I have also created user interface for sending email using Python. So now let's move to the demo of that user interface. I would like to inform you that I have already integrated this email sending program in my Jarvis. So if you want to watch my entire Jarvis demo, you can check out my description link. I have provided the link of my Jarvis demo in description as well as in I button above. So let's send email to any user using Jarvis. So I will just simply run this program. So let's wait for Jarvis to get activated. So it is activated, as you can see.
It's late night. Current temperature is 20.97 degrees Celsius and the weather is clear. Sir, do you wish to know your today's task?
So in that Jarvis demo video, I have performed voice communication with Jarvis, but I have also added user input mode to Jarvis. So if mic is not accessible, it will automatically transfer itself to user input mode. So now let's check the demo of email sending program. So I will just simply type here no, because it was asking us that if we want to know Autodesk task. So I will simply return no.
I am ready for next command.
So it is ready for next command, and I will simply write Jarvis, I want to send an email, and I will just click perform task.
Please fill following details to send email.
So see, this is our user interface of sending email. It has multiple user inputs, as you can see. So I will just write receiver's name. So let's I will type Aditya this time. I have stored email address of this Aditya in my database. So I will just click here the verify name button. So Aditya name is present in database. So email address of Aditya is automatically added to this program. Now we have to just write subject and message. So I will just write subject as hey Aditya, and message as this is test email using Python. So I have written subject as hey Aditya and message as this is test email using Python, and I also added a attachment file option. So if we want to send any file, we can just click this attach file button and send attachment along with it. I will definitely create a video on how to send attachment with this mail. So let's send email using Jarvis. So I will just click on send button.
Sending email to Aditya within few moments.
So our Jarvis has told sending email. So our email has successfully sent. So I will just simply open mail using this only. So I will just write Alexa. We can call this application by any name we like. I have not added any restrictions to my virtual assistant. So I will just type this in Alexa, open email for me. And I will just click perform task.
Opening mail.
So it is opening email for me. So as you can see, Alexa has opened email for me. Our subject was hey Aditya. It has appeared here. I will just click here. So our subject was hey Aditya and message was this is test email using Python. Congratulations, we have once again sent email using Python, but this time using user interface to send an email. So now let's move back to our program. Here comes the end of this video. Hope you like this video, and if you want the source code of my user interface, you can simply message me or Instagram. I would love to send you the source code of my user interface to you. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and comment below how was it, and also don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching this video.